So if you are still doing repetitive business tasks manually, then you need to watch this video before building your next business workflow. Because in today's world, businesses are no longer growing by working harder manually. They are growing by automating everything. Now imagine this. Your leads automatically receives follow-ups on WhatsApp. Your CRM automatically stores customer data and also receives instant emails. Means all your apps start talking to each other without writing a single line of code. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video by using Pabbly Connect. Today, I'll walk you through 3 amazing workflows that I created using Pabbly Connect, just to show you how powerful this tool actually is. These are the dummy examples. You can create workflows completely based on your own business requirements too. So let's first understand all the 3 workflows. See, in this workflow, I created an integration between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly chart flow. I'll show you how it will work. So whenever a user fills out the Instagram lead form and submit their details, within a second, they automatically received a personalized follow-up message on their WhatsApp number. No manual messaging, no delay. Everything happens automatically. This workflow is extremely useful for marketing agencies, coaches, service providers, real estate businesses, and e-commerce brands because speed matters a lot when handling leads. The faster you respond, the higher your conversion chances become. Now let's move to the second workflow. In this automation, whenever a new record is added inside Google Sheets, automatically a new contact is created inside HubSpot CRM. So imagine your team enters customer data inside a spreadsheet and instantly the contacts appears inside your CRM automatically. No manual data entry required. Now let me show you the real-time demonstration. See, as soon as I add a new record inside the sheet, immediately a new contact is created inside my HubSpot CRM by the same name that I have entered in this row. So this is the working of the second workflow. Now let's move to the last workflow. And honestly, this is one of the most powerful workflow. But before we watch the real-time working of this automation, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you like this tool till now and you also want to integrate multiple applications, then go and purchase this tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. You won't regret it after purchasing it. It saves a lot of your time and automate your entire business task. Now let's see our third workflow. So in this automation, whenever someone submits a form through LinkedIn lead ads, automatically a new contact is created inside Zoho CRM and a fully personalized mail is sent through Gmail completely automatically. So this is the magic of Pabbly Connect. Now as you have already seen the working of all these workflows, let's understand why Pabbly Connect is becoming one of the most powerful automation tools for businesses. See, with Pabbly Connect, you can integrate multiple applications together without coding. You can automate lead management, CRM updates, WhatsApp automation, email marketing, e-commerce operation, and much more. The best part is you are not limited to just these applications, but you can connect hundreds of different apps based on your own business needs. That means whether you use Shopify, Google Sheets, Gmail, WhatsApp, or any other application, you can automate almost everything, and this saves time, manual effort, team workload, and human errors. Now let's understand how you can create these types of workflows for yourself. First, simply open a new tab and go for pabbly.com/connect and run the sign up process. Once you create your account, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the platform and test automation. After reaching the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, simply click on this plus create workflow button. Now here you will see 3 different options as create from scratch, create using AI, and create using quick builder. Let me explain all the three quickly. So if you want to build a workflow step by step manually by yourself, then you can use this option. This gives you a complete control over every workflow step. Next, if you want AI to help generate your automation workflow, then you can use this option. And the last one is Quick Builder. I personally use this builder because it makes workflow creation faster. You simply tell what you want to automate and it will automatically generate the workflow for you. Let me show you how this works. Suppose I want to integrate LinkedIn lead ads with Zoho CRM and Gmail. So I simply type a prompt. Now immediately Pabbly Connect analyze my request and ask which LinkedIn trigger should start this workflow. For example, I select LinkedIn trigger as lead notification. After that, it is asking me about the Zoho CRM action that I am selecting as create contact, and for the last one I am selecting the action as send email, and within a second the entire workflow gets generated automatically. This is honestly one of the most impressive feature because it saves huge amount of setup time, and similarly you can create any workflow by typing a simple prompt. Now after creating the workflow, first you need to make the connection between your application account and Pabbly Connect. You just have to click on the application and it will guide you step by step to create a connection. See, after making the connection, the most common and the important part of almost every workflow is mapping, because mapping is what makes your automation dynamic. With the help of mapping, users' name changes automatically based on their input. Mapping plays the important role in almost every workflow. See, I have done the mapping in the second workflow too, and for the last one as well. To do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. You just have to select the response from it. It is important because without mapping, your automation will not work dynamically based on the user input. After doing the mapping, in every action step, you just have to click on the save and send test request button, just only for the testing that your workflow is working or not. And if you receive the positive response in your action application, this clarifies that your automation is working perfectly. So this is how easily you can create a powerful automation workflows using Pabbly Connect. Honestly, once you start automating your workflows, you will realize how much time and manual effort your businesses can save every single day. So go ahead, explore Pabbly Connect, start building your own workflow and automate your business like a pro. I have already created a separate detailed video of all these three workflow. If you want it, then comment it. I will share the video link with all of you guys. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.